Yes, they cross. So they intersect. So graphs line intersect 90 degree angles. And then the equation, opposite reciprocal slope. It means if m is 2, the reciprocal is negative 1 over 2. Very good. Now let's have an example. What is the opposite reciprocal of negative 2 over 3? 3 over 2. Very good. Number 2. Negative 12 over 11. Correct. Number 3. Negative 1 over 7. Very good. How about the last one? 9. Okay. Very good. Now, let's move with the other one. The parallel lines, we will know if this equation, samakan, if parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Number 1, is this parallel, perpendicular, or neither?
Parallel.
Why?
Yes,
The m is negative 2, the other one also is negative 2. So they have the same. If m is the same, that is? Parallel. Right. How about number 2? Why? Yes. They have the same number, coefficient, but this is negative and this is positive. So this is neither. How about number 3? Perpendicular. Why? This is? Can you still remember how to check if it is perpendicular? To check, that is m1 times m2, right? m1 is how much? 1 over 5 times negative 5. This will be cancelled out. The answer is negative 1. If the answer is negative 1, that is perpendicular. Okay? Okay. So this is perpendicular. How about the next one? I will ask Floyd. Number 4. Parallel, are you sure? It's negative, and this is also negative. Neither. Okay. It's not parallel, not perpendicular, because they are both negative. So neither. How about number 5? Bond. Yes. They have the same. If the same, then parallel. Okay, very good. Number 6. Perpendicular. Are you sure? Yes. Answer is perpendicular. Very good. So it's easy, right? Very easy. Okay. Now let's move with our lesson proper. We will know how to make another equation out of the first equation. So first one, we will study about parallel. Parallel, we need to find another equation of this. We have steps. Step number 1, given equation should be solved for, this is our slope-intercept formula. Am I? Y is equal to mx plus b. I know you already know this one. So, number 2, write down the slope of the line. We will write what is the slope. Slope is m, right? So, that is the slope, m. Number 3, we are going to substitute what is x, what is y, and also the m. And then we will find b. We will look for b. And then, number 4, we are going to solve for the b. So, I will give the first example. And number 5, the last one, we are going to write the new equation using the m and b. So I will give the first example. So this one, we're going to write a line parallel to the line 2x plus y. is equal to 3. That passes through the point -2 and 5. So we have 2x plus y is equal to 3. We are going to find y, right? So what we are going to do? Move, correct. We are going to move this one in the other side. This is positive, moving the other side, it will become what? Negative. Very good. So we have y is equal to -2x plus 3. Now we have the slope-intercept formula, right? Now, what is our m? M is -2. How about our x? -2. How about y? 5. Okay. Now, using the formula, y is equal to mx plus b, we are going to change with this one. Y is how much?
5.
Y is 5. Is equal to m? -2. X? -2. And we are going to find b. Now, let's write the same 5. -2 times -2. So this is 4 plus b. And then we move the 4 to the other side. 5 minus 4 is equal to b. So our b is 1. So now we have the new b. For the final answer, therefore, y is equal to -2x plus 1. So this will be the answer. Let's see. Let's check if the answer is correct. Yes, the answer is correct. Okay? Now, any question for the parallel? Ajay, Mike? Understand? Okay, very good. Now let's have a word work. Who will volunteer to answer the first question? Write a line parallel to the line y is equal to 3x minus 5 and passes through the line -5, -2. Yes, Am? We are going to show the solution. Can you understand? Okay, let's see if the answer is correct. The answer is it the same? Yes, very good, correct. Very good. How about next? -4x plus 1 passes through 2 and -1. Who will answer? Yes? Gilder? Okay? Is it correct? Let's see. The answer is y is equal to negative 4x plus 7. Okay, correct. Very good. Who's next? Yes? How much is this? We have negative x, m is negative 1, m is negative 1. What's that? Negative, negative, negative 1, negative 1, negative 4, times negative. This is negative and negative is negative. Okay. So the answer of prime is y is equal to negative x minus negative 8. Let's see. Okay, correct. Very good. Correct. Any question about parallel lines? Do you understand? Okay, very good. Now, parallel lines, let us relate the parallel lines into physics. What in physics that you're going to study about parallel lines, or parallel? In physics, we also have series circuit and parallel circuits. Do you study this one with teacher J, right? So this is the series circuits. They are together in one line. Right? The light and the light together with this one. What will happen to the series if this one will be broken? This both will be broken, right? So that is series. While parallel circuit, if the one will be broken, the other one will still light, still on, right? So this is related to physics, which is the series circuit and parallel circuit. Okay? Next in here, let's move with the perpendicular. So you already know what is perpendicular, right? Perpendicular, let's have the steps. Step number 1, the same with parallel. We have y is equal to mx plus b. Number 2, we are going to write down opposite reciprocal. So opposite reciprocal. Number 3, we're going to substitute m and x and y with this one. So we are going to find the b. So number 4, solve for b. Okay? And then the last one, we're going to write the new equation of the perpendicular lines. Let's have an example. So I will show to you how are we going to find the perpendicular. First, we have the y. Our m1 is how much? 1/2. How about the m2, the negative reciprocal? -2. And what is our formula? Y is equal to mx plus b. How much is our x? 1. Y is 0. How about M? Negative 2. How about the X? 1 plus B. And then multiply. So negative 2 plus B. And then this one, we're going to move in the other side. So negative, move in the other side. Positive. So B is equal to 2. Now therefore, our Y is equal to, how much is our M2? Negative 2x plus 2. So that is how we're going to solve perpendicular to make another equation. Let's see if that is correct. Yes, they're the same. So it means correct. Any question about this? No. Let's try another word book again. Who are going to answer with this? Yes? Who?